Hello students, I am Rekha Verma. Today I will teach you Standard 10th Science Chapter 2 Acids, Bases and Salts. It is a chemistry chapter. Indicators are substances which indicate the acidic or basic nature of the solution by the color change. Types of indicator. There are many types of indicators. Some common types of indicators are natural indicators. Natural indicators obtained from natural sources are called natural indicators. Example: litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, china rose, etc. are some common natural indicators, usually widely to show the acidic or basic characters of substances. Litmus. Litmus is obtained from lichens. The solutions of litmus is purple in color. Litmus paper comes in two colors, blue and red. An acid turns blue litmus paper red. A base turns red litmus paper blue. Turmeric. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric solution or paper turn reddish brown with base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. Red cabbage. The juice of red cabbage is originally purple in color. Juice of red cabbage turns reddish with acid and turns greenish with base. Olfactory indicator. Olfactory means जो हम सूंघ सकते हैं. Substances which change their smell when mixed with acid or base are known as olfactory indicators. For example, onion, vanilla, etc. Onion paste or juice of onion loses its smell when added with base. It does not change its smell with acid. Vanilla. The smell of vanilla vanishes with base, but its smell does not vanish with an acid. Olfactory indicators are used to ensure that the participation of visually impaired students in the laboratory. Olfactory indicators generally used for whose student they are not able to see anything. Synthetic indicator. Indicators that are synthesized in the laboratory are known as synthetic indicator. For example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid. It remains colorless with acid but turns into pink with a base. Methyl orange is originally orange in color. It turns into the red with acid and turns into yellow with base. Here is some indicators arranged in a table, so you can see it. Red litmus, original color red. When we use acid, its no color will change. When we add base, its color turns blue. Blue litmus, original color blue. When we add acid, its color change into red. But when we use base, no changes will seen. Turmeric, its original color is yellow. When we use acid, no any changes will seen. When we use base, reddish brown color will come. Red cabbage juice, original color is purple. When we use acid, its color will be reddish, and when we will use base, greenish yellow color will come. Phenolphthalein, it's a colorless. When we use acid, its color is colorless, but when we use base, its color will be pink. Methyl orange, original color is orange. When we use acid, its color will red, and when we use base, its color will yellow. Indicator of onion, it's a olfactory indicator. Original color, no any color, and when we use acid, no any changes we seen. When we use base, smell vanishes. When we use in vanilla, it's a natural indicator, olfactory indicator. Original color, no any color, but when we use acid, no any change will seen. When we use base, smell vanishes. Acids are sour in taste, turn blue litmus red and dissolve in water to release H plus ions. Example: sulfuric acid, H2SO4, acetic acid, CH3COOH, nitric acid, HNO3, etc. Properties of acid. Acids have a sour taste, turns blue litmus red. Acid solution conducts electricity, release H plus ion in aqueous solution. Types of acid. Acids are divided into two types of the basis of their occurrence, that is natural acid and mineral acid. Natural acid. Acid which are obtained from natural sources are called natural acids or organic acids. Example: methanoic acid, HCOOH, acetic acid, CH3COOH, oxalic acid, C2H2O4, etc. Organic acid and their sources. Acid. Acetic acid sources in vinegar. Acids, ascorbic acids, found in guava and amla. Citric acids found in lemon, orange and other citrus fruit. Lactic acids found in sour milk curd. Methanoic acid found in ant sting, nettle sting. Oxalic acid found in tomato and tartaric acid found in tamarind. Now, mineral acids. Acids that are prepared from minerals are known as mineral acid. Example: inorganic acid, man-made acids or synthetic acids are known as mineral acids. Example: hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, etc. Chemical properties of acid. Reaction of acid with metal. Acid give hydrogen gas along with respective salt when they react with a metal. Metal plus acid give product salt plus hydrogen. Example: hydrogen gas and zinc chloride are formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc metal. You can see the equation of hydrogen gas and zinc chloride. Zinc sulfate plus hydrochloric acid reactant, they give zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Hydrogen gas and sodium sulfate are formed when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium metal. Oxygen gas and sodium sulfate are formed when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium metal. Sodium plus sulfuric acid, when reacted, they give the product sodium sulfate plus hydrogen. Test for hydrogen gas. The gas evolves after reaction of acid with metal can be tested by bringing a lighted candle near it. If the gas burns with a pop-up sound, then it confirms the evolution of hydrogen gas. Burning with pop sound is the characteristic test for oxygen gas. Reaction of acids and metal carbonate. Acid gives carbon dioxide gas and respective salt along with water when they react with metal carbonates. Metal carbonate plus acid give the salt plus carbon dioxide and water. Hydrochloric acid gives carbon dioxide gas, sodium chloride along with water when reacts with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas, calcium sulfate and water when it reacts with calcium carbonate.